Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is CryptoB signing in with a new cryptocurrency video. Today I have got a brand new cryptocurrency trading app here with me, which is exclusively launched in India, and this app is only for people who lives in India. That is nothing but the KOINEX app. KOINEX has been the leading cryptocurrency trading exchange in India. They have been there for quite a while in the market, and yesterday they have launched a brand new app of their own, which is the KOINEX app. And now I'm going to be giving you guys a quick overview about this app and how does app work, basically what's with this app. And a lot of people might be confused on how to use this app. They might feel complicated, so I'm gonna break up everything about this app and explain it to you guys. And let me get on to this app, and here we are. If you're going to open the app for the first time, it will ask you to input a MPIN, that is nothing but a 4-digit code, which is for the security purpose, so that you don't need to log in with your username and your password each and every time whenever you're logging into the KOINEX app. So that if you input the PIN, and from the second time whenever you log in, you can just input the PIN and log in through the app. And you can also prompt to use your fingerprint scan also. So this is me logging to the app for the second time. So this is how it will look when you log in through the app for the second time. And it's a one-time procedure which you will have to follow whenever you're logging in into the app for the first time. And now I'm going to be using my fingerprint. All right, here we are, and this is the dashboard of KOINEX. This is how it looks, and you basically have 5 cryptocurrencies which you are allowed to trade in KOINEX. That is ETH, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash. So right now they have only 5 of these cryptocurrencies which you can trade in this platform, and in future they are going to bring us more cryptocurrencies which we can trade. And this is how the market looks like. The volume traded of all the cryptocurrencies is below its name, and this is the last traded price of each of the cryptocurrencies which you will see. If you guys don't know what last trade is, so for example, if I consider Ethereum, this 5600 is the price of Ethereum during the last trade, whichever was had happened. So the last person who bought the Ethereum had bought it for 56,100, and now it's changed to 56,199. so it's increasing. So basically it will increase when the price increases in the international market, and it will decrease when the price decreases in the international market. So it completely dependent upon the international market. And here you'll find basically the individual charts of all the cryptocurrencies. That is the XRP chart, and I'm going to be opening the XRP chart. It's designed beautifully, and see, basically you'll see all the price chart over here, all the ups and downs of the price for maybe you can filter out here last 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day. The app looks very fast. It's beautifully designed. It's amazingly fast. So you can pretty much do everything whichever you do in the website. And the last traded price is 66.7, and you can see all the 24 hours high and low prices over here. And let me click on this 3 month. So you have hell lot of data over here, which you might be needing it. And if I go back, it'll take me back to the dashboard, and you have individual charts for all these 5 cryptocurrencies. And if I go to this bell over here is pretty much the notification. If you have any notification, it will pop up right here, and if you have any updates, you can see it over here. These are the updates which you will see on the red bar in the website, which is on the top of the website. And these are the price alerts So you can create price alerts. For example, if you want to buy Ethereum when it goes below 50,000, so you can select Ethereum, and low below you can give below, and you can input your price 50,000, and you can submit. So whenever the price drops below 50,000, you will get an alert, so that you can go ahead and buy the Ethereum if you want at that point of time. And let me go back, and if I click on the options, here you will find your trade history, wallet history, security, contact support, and help and feedback. And if I go to trade history, here you can see all the trades which have happened so far in this website from your side. And you have a very nice filter over here, so that if you don't need to see other cryptocurrencies, you can filter them out. And if you want only all the trade history with respect to the Ripple, you can just click on the Ripple, and you'll see only the Ripple trade history over here. And you can pretty much go to the next pages over here. And that's all about the trade history. And also, if you have any problem with any of the information over here, you can click on this option and hit this mail report and select the currency, and you can actually report the problem to them, so that you might get a solution for your problem. And the wallet history, if I go there, here you will see your the cryptocurrency deposits as well as the Indian rupee deposits over here. So all the successful deposits which will pop up here, you can keep a track of it. And the same thing goes to withdrawal. You'll see pretty much same information as the deposit over here. You have a nice filter over here to eliminate the other cryptocurrencies which you don't need to take a look at. And that's it about the wallet history. And if I go to security, so here you will see the IP addresses from which you have logged into the account, along with the date and time of login. So that will keep you alerted if anybody logins to your account from some other IP address. And contact support, you can pretty much contact the support from app itself. You don't need to go to the website each and every time whenever you have a problem. So all you gotta do is select the ready-made listed problem over here, and if you don't find your problem, you can just click other and write the description over here and hit send. They might get back to you by giving a solution for your problem. And going to help and feedback, you'll find a bunch of useful things over here, that is FAQs, fees, and I expect you guys to go through all of these. It's very, very important. You guys got to go through the fees especially, and a bunch of few FAQs over here. And so that's it about the dashboard and the options which are available in this the cryptocurrency trading app. And let me go to the wallets, and here we will find the portfolio of all the coins whichever you have. And here you will see the net worth of all the cryptocurrencies whichever you have stored in this exchange. That is, I currently do not have any balance left out in this exchanges, because I do not store my cryptocurrencies in the exchange. So I suggest you guys the same thing as well. So whenever you get a cryptocurrency deposited into your account, so it will pop up over here. And if you want to deposit something into your account, you can always click on the cryptocurrencies which you need to deposit. An address will pop up over here, which you can scan or copy this address and paste it to the place from where you need to send. And if all you gotta do is just click on this copy address, and your wallet address will be copied. And it's as simple as that. The depositing is same how it used to work in the the website. And if I go to withdrawal, this is where you do the withdrawal. You can pretty much do not pretty much, you can do everything whichever you were doing so far in the website. You don't need to touch the website anymore. All the features in the website or embedded into one app which will come under your palm. That is absolute. Seriously, this app is stunning. It does everything which a cryptocurrency trading website need to do. So if you have the balance to withdraw, you can pretty much type in the volume whichever you need to withdraw and the destination wallet address, and the same thing which you used to do in the website so far. And so that's it about the wallet, I guess. So you can also withdraw your Indian rupee back to your account, and the same thing goes here as well. Withdrawal and deposit, type in the amount and then withdraw. You can do everything. It's so amazing that they have given all the features in this app. It's not surprising that they took a very long time to create this app. It's worth the wait. So let's go to the trade. So this is the most important part of this app. This is the place where you will be doing the trade. And if I go to open orders, right now nothing is there here. So this is the place where you will find your orders. That is, if you have given a buy or sell order, so it will first pop up here. So unless and until it's not executed, it will be there here. So you can cancel and modify it whenever you want from here. So right now I don't have any orders, so you can see that. And this is the place where you will be doing the trade, the buy and sell. And the buy, currently I have a BCH, and you can pretty much select whichever coin you want to trade by clicking on the cryptocurrency whichever you need. For example, I'll be clicking on the Ethereum, and it will take me to trade Ethereum, and you can type in the volume you want to buy and price per ETH. The last price is given over here, 56,101, and you can input the price higher or lower than the last price. And total payable is generated automatically, I guess. So you don't need to type in the total pay. And so once you're done, you can buy, and same thing goes for the sell. And these are the list of volume and price which have been traded previously. So far whatever happened with respect to the selling, you'll find it over here, and with respect to buying, you'll find it over here. And pretty much that's it about the trade. And so going to history, here you'll find all the trading history of people who have traded in the KOINEX. It's not your personal history, it is the history of people who have traded Ethereum in the KOINEX website. So pretty much that's it about the app, I guess. That should do it. That should be the quick overview about this app. The app is absolutely stunning. It's amazing that they have rolled out this app before even the WazirX have rolled out their app. It's an added advantage that they have released this app right now, so that people will get used to this KOINEX app before even the people touching the WazirX app. That's all I've got to say about this app. So I guess that's it for today. If you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe my channel so you don't miss out any of my content like this. See you guys in the next video. Until then, have a safe trading. Peace out.